Okay, I just woke up, so my voice sounds a little weird, but the vanity chair that we're going to be, I wouldn't say redoing, because as you can see, I've kind of already did that, but we're just updating. So, it hasn't been painted for literally, I think, 6, maybe 7 years. And if you can see, the paint is pretty chipped up right here. So, what we're going to do is pop this cushion off and then repaint. Really, really simple. But the main thing that we're redoing for this project is the cushion. So you guys will see that in the next step, and ignore my super ratchet nails, but appreciate the Lisa Frank Band-Aid. Okay, it's not gonna load, but that's Casey. So this is the fabric that we're using to recover the cushion. As you can see, it's a fake Louis Vuitton knockoff. It may look okay right now, but if you look close at these handles, it's a really bad, well, cheaply made knockoff. It was actually like over $100 in New York. But I can't exactly link where you guys can get a bag to recover something, but I can tell you websites like iOffer and AliExpress do have items like this. You just have to search, or if you're local to like a Chinatown, you can find knockoffs like this. But it's really bad. I just want to show you guys the inside. We cut the lining out, but you can see just how it's sewn. It's not good. I would actually use this bag only to smuggle in like drinks and stuff to the movies, because I don't care about it. Okay guys, so clearly these aren't my hands, and this is my mom helping me. If you guys don't know, she's like anything DIY genius. So she's doing this hard part for me, and she's going to explain what she had to do.
Okay, so we have the bag here, and I didn't cut the bag because I didn't know if this placement was going to work or not. So I have already stapled it onto the heat base, and what I've done now is I've basically sized it. I don't mind the seam here. I think it looks kind of cool. I like that it's kind of a used retro look. Now what I'm going to do is actually cut the rest of this off, and I'm going to remove it from the seat base and size it so that I don't have all of this bulk in here, because that bulk is going to get in the way. So I'm slowly going to cut this larger piece off, because maybe I'll find something else I can use that on. Maybe the top of a box or something. And I'm just cutting this off so you can see better, because now I've got the bulk out of the way. And what I'm going to do is just cut these edges off and get all of this bulk out, and I will come back and show you. I will remove this, and see where I have all these folds? I've got to cut a V into there so I don't have that bulk, so it will sit back onto the stool. Otherwise, it will just be like a ½ inch higher, and the screws won't reach it, and it'll look funny. So I'm just going to continue cutting this around, and I will come back. So to not have that bulk around like I have over here, I'm probably going to have to cut this off and redo it. I just basically take my piece and I cut a little V into it. And I'm making these little pieces that I can pull up and pull around, almost like tabs. And so I'm doing them one by one and doing them on the seat base so that I get the correct amount. I only get one shot at this since we only have one bag that we can work with. And I'm just stapling it down as I go. And like I said, this piece over here, I'm probably at the end going to pull this up and redo it like the rest, because I think it's going to be too bulky to sit on the bench. But just keep taking that little V out, pulling it back. This makes it much easier to work with. So I've just taken those little V's of fabric out, and it makes this all sit perfectly. Now, I'm short of fabric because it's a purse, so I've got to just work with what I have here and take it inch by inch. So it'll take me a little bit longer, but you know, if you want something unusual, sometimes it's worth the extra time. Down. Now you can see on the other side how beautiful it is finished. So we're just giving this chair a quick refresher with some gold paint, kind of make it look all new again.
Not coming out.
It's dead. Do we need to go to Home Depot and get more?
Okay guys, so I lost my helper, so I didn't have anyone to actually show you me spraying it, but here is the resprayed chair. Ignore my ratchet nails and my even more ratchet background. That all needs to obviously be, you know, taken care of. But here's our freshly painted chair. So now all we have to do is attach our seat. Alright guys, here is our finished product. It looks so cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It definitely was a much needed upgrade compared to what we started with. That was that hot pink leopard that's been on for literally like 6 or 7 years now. So this definitely goes more with my vibe. So you guys are currently seeing the stool where it will be used. This is actually my vanity behind it, and it's a little bit messy right now, so I'm trying to not show it all, but there's a little sneak peek of my vanity. One day I'll do a room tour. I almost have my room how I want it, so maybe coming soon. But here again is our finished product. So if you guys like it, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. If you've already been here, you already know I love DIYs, mostly home decor. I'm obsessed with unique, different home decor, and so that's what I focus on. I also forgot to mention where I got this vanity stool at. It actually was thrifted, of course. I got it from a flea market in New Jersey. If you're familiar with New Jersey, I got it at Englishtown Flea Market. A guy sold it to me for, I want to say, like $12. It was really inexpensive, for sure under 20, and it's held up for quite a long time now, and hopefully for even longer. It's still in great shape. It's a nice sturdy piece, and it works perfectly for my setup. Since this is a thrifted piece, you can get any type of stool that has a cushion you can take off. It doesn't have to be just like this. Anything that has a cushion that unscrews, you can replace and do this with.